going to show you how to use the wireless power charge on your Google Pixel 6 or the 6 Pro so you can charge other devices, okay? Very simple here. So first thing, to turn it on, even if your phone is locked, you should be able to slide down notifications like that and then look for battery share. If it's not on the first page here, swipe to the left, swipe to the left, and there's my battery share right there. I currently have it on. Okay, now it's off. Okay, now the thing is, if you don't have battery share on here, what you may have to do is go ahead down here, and also if you're actually logged into the phone, if you're logged in, and then when you want to go to battery share, if you slide down notifications, what you have to do is slide down one more time, okay, and then swipe over to the left, and there's the battery share. Now if you don't have battery share in here, you can tap on this little pencil down here and then go ahead and look down here if battery share is there. Okay, let me move this one down. Maybe it's down here. What you have to do is move it back to the top here. So I'll click on battery share, now drag it up here, and I'll let it go. Okay, now if it's not even down here, then what you can do is you can go to your settings, and then from here just go ahead and go directly to battery right here, and then scroll down, and it says battery share on here as well. You can turn that on or off. Okay, also really quickly, if you go back to battery share here, now if you click and hold, this is the setting here, you can turn it on this way as well, and it says stop sharing battery when the phone reaches 10%. You can adjust that. Also on the very bottom here, it does say your phone's battery will run out faster when using this feature. Battery share automatically turns off after a few minutes if another device isn't detected. Okay. Anyway, let's go ahead and give this a try on some different phones here with some cases and whatnot. Let me go ahead and scroll down again. Scroll down again, move over to the left. Let me turn on battery share right there. And let's go ahead and charge my Pixel 6 Pro here. Pop that on here. You can see it's charging. You should be able to put it this way as well, right on top. How about a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus here? This has a thin rubbery case on here. Let's see what happens here. It does charge. You can see, of course, it's not going to fast wirelessly charge though. And here's another example here. Here's I think this is an iPhone 8. It has a OtterBox case. It's 2 layers, so it's super thick. Let's go ahead and pop that on there. Oops, let me do it again. I didn't read it the first time. Okay, there we go. So it's charging there. Let's see if it charges this way too. It's not charging that way, probably because it has this lip on here. Let me put it sideways again. Let's see here. Not charging now. Let me see if it turned off. Okay, so it's on. Okay, there we go. It's charging now. And let's see again if it charges this way. Okay, it does. All right, pretty cool. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck.